So this is what we end up with at the end of the tutorial. I'll show you how to do this right here. I'll just show you, and he's gonna be working while I do this. Hello, Mr. IT Senpai.
Hey, everyone.
I missed you, man. Look, I missed you.
I missed you.
Okay, hold on. You ever have this stupid problem where you go to draw a face and then everything looks fine except for the stupid nose, and it's always at like too big or too small, or it's at the wrong angle or something like that. It always like it messes up the entire drawing, and you gotta redo the nose like 4 times, and then pretty soon the page just turns black. I had nobody to annoy while I do these tutorials, and now I do. Okay. All right, I'm gonna get started.
All right, cool. If you need me, I'm right over here.
Okay. Alright, we have my very clean whiteboard, and we're gonna do some math. Wait, I thought this was a nose drawing tutorial. It is! But I'll math you first. First, we're gonna start out with an equilateral triangle, then we're gonna do a
Scaling triangle.
then we're gonna do a right triangle. What does that have to do? I'll show you. Just give me a second, okay? I can't think when you're... This one is gonna have the center line going down the center. This one is going to have a center line going not in the center. Does that make any sense? No, but it will in a second. Next one is not going to have any sort of center line because it's not the same as the other ones. Oh, I drew on the floor. Then what we're going to do, I'm just going to... This is hard to explain. I'm just going to... Bleh. That's what I'm going to do, okay? I'm just going to... Bleh, bleh. It's not going to... Just hold on. Okay, so right at these two things... Oh, man, I actually marked it a little bit too much. We're gonna do a little blip and a little blip. Hold on. Now we're gonna take this and mark something out to the side. Wow, man, that looks so cool. Well, just give me a second, okay? Watch. Now with this one, we're gonna do the same thing with the blips, but how does it work? It's to the side. I'll show you, man. I got carried, you'd say. Oops, that was not good. Remember, be careful with your lines. You gotta be deliberate and accurate. One of them is smaller, one of them is bigger. Come off to the side, but this time, I said we're gonna do this little nose thing, and then you're gonna see like this side of the nostril, okay? So like the nose thing comes off to the side, like that. And then like you'll see like maybe a little bit of the nostril over here. Watch this. This is the cool one. Ready? So with this one, you're gonna do the little bleppy. You're gonna come across for the nostril, but watch. Okay? This is magic. You're gonna make a little loopy thingy, and then come down, and there's like a little, like. Right there. Oh, that's actually very strong smelling. I didn't think that it would have that fragrant of a smell. That's very strong. It's making my eyes water. Then you come down, and because there's like a little membrane thing. And then, hooray, you have your mouth. And then you have your mouth here. And then you have your mouth here. But wait a minute, that looks all messy and stuff. Watch this. Once I clean it up, you're gonna be like, hey man, that actually does look pretty good. How did that turn out to be good? Well, it's simple math, okay? With using the Illuminati principle, you can see how we can determine the quadratic function of the y equals mx plus b triangle and use the Pythagorean theorem. Okay. And that's how you do it. The end.
There's a very important topic we have to discuss. It was a comment from one of your subscribers, someone who likes torture. They were wondering what the green bottle was, and it is hand sanitizer with aloe, made for the lazy IT guy that doesn't want to walk down the hall to wash his hands after lunch. That message has been brought to you by hand sanitizer with aloe, generic brand.
Generic brand.
That's why we didn't hide it. If it was something weird, it would be like in the drawer.
Yeah, don't. We don't want to go there.
I missed you, man. Look, I missed you.
You missed me. Did your computer break?
I only need you to fix my computer. That's all I need you for.
I need tech support. Where's my IT guy?
Where's IT, senpai? He's been gone for the last couple of weeks, and I've just been in here just like, what do I do? What do I do without my IT, senpai? Where is...
Back in action.
I had nobody to annoy while I do these tutorials, and now I do. Okay. All right, I'm gonna get started.
All right, cool. If you need me, I'm right over here.
Okay.
I wouldn't say that. I wouldn't mind that. You did everything.
It would be like in the drawer.
God, please, no! No! No!
In the drawer.
No!